Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a video I had to make. Obviously on Litecoin. Litecoin halving is coming up in a little bit over one day. It's tomorrow at 5 p.m. Universal UTC. So yesterday or to tomorrow afternoon the halving is finally there. I just wanted to make an update today. I'll probably also still make an update tomorrow on what I expect from that. But also what we've seen over the last 24 hours, or should I say over the last 12 hours, from the markets. Litecoin actually was pretty bullish still on Sunday, a couple of days before the halving, as predicted. But now, after successfully holding 92 and 91.7 as a support for a couple of days, now we've actually given that level up, and we had a bearish breakout not only through that level but also through this trend line, which never really got a third touch. You could arguably say that we got that the 26th of July, but still it is to be respected. All right, so we'll just do a full analysis both fundamentally and technically on what to expect from the whole halving experience. And hopefully at the end you're optimally prepared for everything that could happen to Litecoin. Like I said, I'll also still make an update tomorrow, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing or put on notifications or something. Even though I do post a lot of videos in the morning, so notifications might be annoying. But for now, on to Litecoin. So before we dive into Litecoin specifically, I do want to say that I have my own premium trading group as well, which has a lot of perks. You gain access to my trading signals, you gain access to a traders community, you gain access to my trading guides, basically everything you need to become a better trader and more profitable trader, most importantly. So if you're interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. Let me adjust the camera, and now let's get right into it. So what we've seen is that we had a lot of bearish momentum from Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin had a bearish breakout through 29,000, and that entire area, which ranges from 29,150 and 29,000, and Litecoin just followed that. Altogether, like most of you know, I do actually expect a little bit of a drop after the halving, because most of these events usually have a buy the rumor, sell the news effect. All right, so they are bullish when the event is like a month, when it's a month before the event. But then once the event is almost there, we kind of fall flat, and then we actually get a sell-off once it has happened. So that's my fundamental experience with events like these, and also my fundamental expectations. Now, times like these in the summer holiday, it's the first of the month, they're volatile. All right, so if I would have to say what the most likely scenario is, both based on technicals because of that bearish breakout and the general market structure in general is still a little bit bearish. You could argue that it's consolidating, but I think for now we're still bearish. So given the fundamentals and the technicals, I would say the most likely scenario is that we will actually respect this level between $92 and 90.7, I would say, which is now the main key area which we broke down below, that we will respect that and drop down to at least this level right here between 86 and 84 cents, potentially down to 81 dollars, I mean, not cents, potentially down there, but that seems like a little bit of a big drop for now. And I would say that's only most likely, and that's only to be expected when Bitcoin is also very bearish. All right, so this is the most likely scenario in my eyes. And this is what I'm expecting. Now, like I said though, times like these are very, very volatile. So if for some reason we are able to break above $92, which is possible if I was wrong about my expectation of the halving effect, but it could also happen if Bitcoin just all of a sudden becomes bullish again. We hit a significant support level, and that's enough to actually get bullish momentum up to 30,000 again. If we do that, then Litecoin will follow that. All right, so even though it's not the most likely scenario, it is a possibility that we are able to break above $92. If that happens, we will probably go all the way up to 97.5 again. So this is a possibility. Given everything we talked about and given all of the factors in the market, I would not say it's the most likely scenario, but I do want you to know that. I mean, personally, I would just stay out of trading for now. We just had a major bearish breakout throughout most cryptos. It's better to wait for some confirmation and some validation and then position yourself in better positions. Just my thoughts, but this is my update and my analysis on Litecoin. So thank you for watching. Take care, especially in trading, and bye.